Hello friends and welcome to another video lesson from LibreOffice Talks. If you haven't subscribed yet, please click subscribe and click the bell so that you can be notified of new uploads. This is a new video playlist and it's a new series wherein we'll be getting to know about an Office suite of applications called LibreOffice. Libre, of course, is Spanish for free. So it's a free version of a suite of applications that's very similar to Microsoft Office. The beauty of this suite is that it can be summed up in two reasons. One is that it's totally free. Number two is it's compatible with Microsoft Office. So to download this suite of applications, Office applications, you just need to go to this website, www.libreoffice.org/download, etc. If otherwise, if it's you can just take a screenshot and go to that, take note of this website. Otherwise, you can Google it. You can just Google for LibreOffice and for sure you'll find the website. Okay, so I will not be getting into the details of downloading and installing the software because it will be easy for you actually. And if needed, you can get lots of help just by Googling your questions, and especially how to download it. It's not that difficult. Okay. So in this video, we'll get a fresh look at an application which is in the LibreOffice suite. The application is called LibreOffice Writer, which is compatible or the counterpart of Microsoft Word. That's its word processing application. Okay. It is also it's a good alternative for Microsoft Word, and you can see the beauty of this because besides being free, it's compatible. Okay, so let's get on with it. First, I will open LibreOffice Writer. So I have here a shortcut already because I've already downloaded and installed the application. Okay, so I'll just launch LibreOffice Writer, which is the counterpart of Microsoft Word. Okay, so it launches and it may not look exactly like Microsoft Word expectedly, but it will actually be very helpful. Who could be the target audience for this? So LibreOffice can be used by an individual, or it can be used in a corporate setting. I have experienced using this in a corporate setting. So maybe you're a startup company and you are just trying to tighten your budget because you're starting small, starting simple. So one area you can cut your costs, where you can cut your costs, is the purchase of software, licensing and that stuff. So this is one alternative. You can straight away start using the LibreOffice suite of applications because it's totally free. And you will see because it's compatible with the Microsoft applications like the Word, Excel, PowerPoint, then this will be a godsend, if you can call it that. Okay, so I have launched LibreOffice Writer, which is an alternative to Microsoft Word. Now, let us try entering some text in it. Okay, let me just give me a second. Okay, I will not type just to save time. So I imagine I just typed. I entered some text in here. Okay, you can type, no problem. So just for in the interest of time, I just pasted the text. But you can, of course, you can type here whatever you want to type. So you can do formatting, basic formatting. Let's say this word over here, I want to set it into bold. You can do that. This Microsoft Word, I want to set it in bold as well as have an underscore to it, underline. So as you can see, maybe it's not so obvious. The keyboard shortcuts, Control-B, Control-I, Control-U, which are very much in use in Microsoft Word, are also very much usable here. Okay, so that is one. So you can see we have entered text, we have done some formatting. there's a lot of formatting also here available, just like in Microsoft Word. Okay, so you can explore it in your own free time, no problem. Now we've entered the text, and then now it's the time to save it. So let's just save it. Okay, wait a second. Let me do it another way. Okay, give me a sec, give me a sec. Okay, so I'll save it here. This location. Let me grab the file name I was thinking of. So I'll call it my first LibreOffice doc. Okay, but what I'm gonna do is in the save as type here, save as type drop down, I will look for, because I wanna remember, although I'm creating it using LibreOffice Writer, my intent actually is to make this file compatible with Microsoft Word so that it can be opened, edited, and saved in a Microsoft Word application. So I will do that by clicking on the drop down of save as type and then choosing Word. There are a couple of versions here. I'll choose the newest version, which is this one, Word 2007-365. Okay, and then I will save. So it goes to my current application. As you can see, because I have saved it as a Word document, it already gets recognized by the Windows OS as a Word document, not as a LibreOffice document. See, it says Microsoft Word document. So remember, we have created this using LibreOffice Writer. See, and then I saved it as choosing the save as type, choosing the type as Microsoft Word, and now it is appearing with a Microsoft Word logo in it. Okay, so I can close it here, and then you can now open this. Imagine you have sent this file to a friend, and that guy, that recipient, is expecting to open it as a Word document. You don't even need to say that you created it using LibreOffice Writer, unless you want to. So now the guy will open this document as if it was a native Microsoft Word. And it will indeed open as one, right? So my first LibreOffice doc, compatibility mode, no problem. So it opens like a native Microsoft Word document. And not only open, but of course you can do some editing and whatever editing you want to do. And then you can save it also if you want to. Okay. So that is created. What we did was we created a document in LibreOffice Writer, and then we saved it as a Word document, and then we opened it via Microsoft Word, and we can edit it and save it. Now let's do the reverse. Let's say I will create a Word document. Okay, I create a Word document. Okay, new Word document. You don't see it, it's here. Okay, so I created a new Word document. Okay, I will call it for I'll just call it that. What I mean is that I'm creating this Word document from scratch, but my intent is to eventually open it in LibreOffice Writer. Okay, so I'll open it. It's already a Word document newly created. And then I will enter some text in here. Let me just grab my text for a while. I will not type again, just paste it over there. But remember that, of course, this is Word. You can type. This file has been created in Microsoft Word, but I plan to later open, edit, and save it in LibreOffice Writer. Okay, and then I will save this now. Okay, and then I can close this. Remember, I have created this using Microsoft Word from scratch. So it is this file here. for LibreOffice Writer. What I'm going to do is I'll open LibreOffice Writer to simulate the situation, the scenario wherein you are doing the reverse, which is you're opening a Word document using LibreOffice Writer. Okay, so we have launched LibreOffice Writer, and we want to open this file called for LibreOffice Writer, which I've created using Microsoft Word. So what I'm going to do is I'll go to File, Open, or I can also click on this icon here, toolbar icon, and then I go to see demo LibreOffice. Okay, and here it is. Okay, so we have done the reverse, which is created a file using Microsoft Word, and then saved it, closed it, and then opened it using LibreOffice Writer. And in the same manner, you can edit this file as you wish and save it. And then when you close, is this file, which you can interchangeably can also open it using Microsoft Word. Right. Okay, you see. So we've seen the beauty of the LibreOffice suite, specifically LibreOffice Writer, which is the counterpart of Microsoft Word. So this is something that you can leverage on because it's totally free, but it is totally compatible with Microsoft Word. Okay, as we speak, it is downloadable for free in the internet. So if you want to look it up where the website is, you can Google it, or you can just slide the video to the very beginning and capture the website, the URL over there. Okay, so I hope we've learned something new from this video. And this is a new playlist, like I mentioned, and it will focus on the LibreOffice suite of applications. Again, Libre is Spanish for free. So this is a totally free Office application. And next in line, I'll be talking about the counterpart of Excel and then the counterpart of PowerPoint. Okay, so thanks for watching. But if you haven't subscribed yet, I do suggest you subscribe, click on the bell, spread the word, spread the news. And I hope to see you in the next video.